Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss very important portion of this chapter, that is the reproductive health. Reproductive health is a topic that in India no one want to discuss because it is so personal that they feel shy, embarrassed to discuss this point. That's why it include into our syllabus, because all of you are in age of teenage and in such of the age that you need to learn reproductive health. It's not happening with you or me, but also it happens to all the persons. जब सबके साथ होता है तो शर्म कैसी? Body changes occur in with all the persons. So no need to be feel shy, embarrassed. खुल के डिस्कस किया जाए, ठीक है? Now this reproductive health is very important because it is not my personal problem, your personal problem. आप लोग सभी पार्ट हैं इस कंट्री के, और जब when we sick, how can a country can be healthy? जब हम ही नहीं रहेंगे तो कंट्री कहाँ जाएगा, कंट्री कैसे होगा? सो लुक दिस कॉन्सेप्ट स्टेप बाय स्टेप. नंबर 1, रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्थ इन फ्यूचर of you, it is the concept related to the family planning. Family planning is very important to maintain gap between two child, वरना पता चलता है एक अभी गोद में ही है, दूसरा और आ गया. So to maintain the gap between two children, to control our population also, right? Next one, this concept is related with the sexually transmitted diseases. If you are aware about these diseases, पता होगा तभी तो हम डॉक्टर के पास जाएंगे. पता ही नहीं चलता तो हम how can we share the doctor? There are a number of the diseases which occur due to some bacteria, viruses, or they spread from one person to another, like the AIDS virus, HIV, AIDS acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Actually, this virus is related with the our reduced immune power of our body. When our body unable to fight with the virus, we feel sick. This disease is caused by HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. Human immunodeficiency virus. Now look, why this reproductive health is important for mother and his infant. Do you know well, during delivery most of the ladies got died due to unavailability of the hospitals. हमारे इंडिया में भी होता था, गांव की लेडीज बेचारी बहुत सारी ड्यूरिंग प्रेगनेंसी, डिलीवरी के टाइम पर उनकी डेथ हो जाती थी. Why it occur? Due to unhygienic conditions of the delivery conditions, hygienic conditions for the mother and infant also, they may infected with a number of germs during this stage. Second one, nutrition. The nutrition is essential for mother as well as infant. Mother need extra nutrient, protein rich diet, calcium rich diet. खुद भी खाना है, बच्चे को भी खिलाना है. So it is very essential to take balanced diet and healthy diet during this stage. Next one, breastfeeding. Breastfeeding is not only important for mother but also important for child. You know, अभी छोटे बच्चों में कोई कोरोना वायरस नहीं होता. स्वाइन फ्लू चला था सालों पहले. दी इन्फेंट, छोटे बच्चे do not having any chance to getting the disease. Why? Because their mother provide the antibodies, ready-made antibodies through the body, through the breastfeeding. You know, जब गाय होती है, गाय का जो अर्ली 3 to 5 days जो मिल्क होता है, that is yellow colored. Yes, just like to cow, mother also provide ready-made antibody just after the birth. That is breastfeeding is very important. Because during the breastfeeding, mother provide the ready-made antibodies to the children. So health of mother and infant is very important part of our reproductive health. Now in reproductive health, individual person, adolescents, teenagers, how it is important. Number one, nutrition. Avoid oil rich food because your body, your sweat glands are already, oil glands are already more active during this stage. So eat healthy diet, protein rich diet, carbohydrate rich diet. And in this age, the person become health conscious. खाना खाऊंगा तो मोटा हो जाऊंगा, खाना ही बंद कर देते हैं. No, don't stop to eating the food. Eat healthy diet. Balanced diet is important rather than leaving the diet. Next one, we should take care of personal hygiene because our body parts, sweat glands, sebaceous gland, oil glands are become more active. It causes smelling to our body, and also during the period of the girls, it is very important to make hygiene. Otherwise, they may suffer from the reproductive tract infection. Reproductive tract infection, RTI. What is RTI? Reproductive tract infection. Next one, you need physical exercise, running, jogging, walking, whatever you can do, you should do. Next one, that is much important. Due to hormonal changes, insecurity, a person fall in the drug abuse, start to taking drugs, cigarette, smoking, whatever it is, गांजा, चरस, ले थोड़ी सी लगा ले भाई, मजा आ जाएगा, दूसरी दुनिया पहुंच जाते हैं. दैट इज दी नो, से नो टू ड्रग्स. जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, शेयर विद योर मदर, यू कैन शेयर विद योर फादर. फ्रेंड सर्कल है, फ्रेंड से शेयर करें. पीयर्स, अपने टीचर्स से शेयर करें. Like me, we are open-minded person, totally open-minded person, because we know how to deal with the children of this age. Thank you. One more point. The legal age of the marriage in case of the girls 18, boys 21. Why this age is adopted or making this fixed age? Because this age, before this age, the girl unable to handle herself also, and how can she handle her child? She is not mentally and physically prepared to having pregnancy. So this is the minimum age, 18 is maintained by the Indian government.